Hello everyone. I'm thrilled to see all of you here today. And I want to talk about something that might come as a surprise. Your brain can actually shrink. Yes, I know it sounds alarming. But understanding this is the first step toward protecting our most valuable asset. Brain shrinkage, also known as atrophy, can affect our memory, focus, and overall cognitive abilities. While some degree of shrinkage is a natural part of aging, certain lifestyle factors can accelerate this process. So, let's explore 5 things that can shrink your brain and, more importantly, how to fix them. 1. Chronic stress. First on our list is chronic stress. Life can be hectic, and stress often feels like an unavoidable part of it. However, prolonged exposure to stress hormones like cortisol can harm the hippocampus, the area of our brain responsible for memory and learning. To combat this, it's essential to incorporate stress relief techniques into our daily routine. Try meditation, yoga, or even simple deep breathing exercises. Just a few minutes a day can work wonders in lowering cortisol levels and protecting your precious brain. 2. Poor sleep. Next up is poor sleep. Sleep isn't just a time for rest, it's a critical period for brain repair. Insufficient quality sleep can prevent your brain from resetting, which may lead to shrinkage over time. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. If you find yourself struggling with sleep issues like insomnia or sleep apnea, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Prioritizing sleep can significantly benefit your brain health. 3. Unhealthy diet. Let's talk about diet. What you put into your body has a direct impact on your brain. Diets that are high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can contribute to brain shrinkage. Instead, focus on incorporating brain-boosting foods into your meals. Think leafy greens, berries, nuts, and fatty fish rich in omega-3s. These foods are wonderful for supporting neural connections and may even slow brain atrophy. You can enjoy a delicious smoothie with spinach and berries, or whip up a tasty salmon dish for dinner. 4. Lack of exercise. Moving on to our 4th factor, lack of exercise. A sedentary lifestyle is a significant risk for your brain. Regular physical activity improves overall health and protects against brain shrinkage. Exercise boosts blood flow to the brain and promotes the growth of new neural connections. You don't have to run marathons, just a brisk walk for 30 minutes a few times a week can make a tremendous difference. So, why not grab a friend and go for a walk? It's a great way to catch up and stay active. 5. High blood pressure. Lastly, we have high blood pressure. Hypertension can reduce blood flow to the brain, leading to neuron damage over time. To combat this, keep track of your blood pressure and adopt a heart-healthy lifestyle. Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and reducing salt intake can help keep your blood pressure in check. Final thoughts in conclusion. While the idea of brain shrinkage may be concerning, the good news is that many of these factors are within our control. By managing stress, prioritizing sleep, eating a healthy diet, staying active, and monitoring blood pressure, we can protect our brains and even reverse some damage. Remember, your brain is your most valuable asset. Take care of it. Thank you all for being here today, and here's to a healthier, sharper mind.